till 8th question? All the questions of circles are clear? Others get added. Surya is not still. Okay, it is 3:43. Wait for 2-3 minutes. Still not any doubts you have? Because those timings are given 3:45, so they will come after 2-3 minutes. So next question, 9th question, which is very important. Many times this question is asked. This is a very important question of this exercise. In the given figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact contact C intersecting xy at point A and x dash y dash at B. So here there are three tangents to the circle. Through point P, one tangent, that is xy. Through point Q, another tangent, that is x dash y dash. And through point C, it is AB, is a third tangent. Then through point C, tangent intersects the earlier tangents at point A and B. xy and x dash y dash are the parallel tangents. We have to prove that angle AOB, this angle, we have to prove it is 90 degrees. For that, join OC. When we join OC, then there will be the four triangles we will get. One is COA, another one is POA. This angle is 90 and this angle is 90. Tangent at the point of contact, radius at the point of contact. These are 90. We have to prove congruency between these two triangles. AOC and AOP triangle. Angles are 90-90. OC and OP are radii of the circle and OA is the common side. So by RHS criteria, two triangles are congruent. So therefore, we have to take this angle as X. So this is also this and this angles are equal. This angle and this angle will be equal. This is also, we have to consider them as X and X. Similarly, triangle COB and QOB. These two triangles we have to prove congruent again by RHS, or you can make by SSS also. So how to take SSS? Ronak, how to prove these two triangles congruent by SSS? Ronak?
Ma'am, yes ma'am.
Yes.
OQ and OC are radii.
Right.
And then from point B, BQ and BC are equal.
Yes, equal tangents from the external point.
Yes, ma'am. And then PO is common.
OB is equal to BO, common side. So by SSS criteria, these two triangles are congruent and therefore this angle is equal to this angle. So consider them as Y and Y. Those are CPCT. Now POQ is a straight line. So therefore X plus Y is equal to sum of these 180 degrees. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. So x plus y is equal to 90. So what is x plus y? Angle AOB is x plus y is 90 degrees. Clear how to do? Then write down given xy parallel to x dash y dash and AB is again tangent. AB, xy, x dash y dash are tangents. To prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Construction, join OC. Then proof congruency in two triangles. We have to prove triangle AOP and triangle AOC. OA is equal to AO common. Angle APO is equal to angle ACO, that is 90. You can prove by SSS also. That's not a problem. And OP is equal to OC, red eye. So therefore triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOC by RHS congruency, and therefore angle AOP is equal to angle AOC by CPCT. So let angle AOP is equal to angle AOC is equal to X. This is 1. Similarly, no need to prove, directly you can write BOQ is congruent to triangle BOC by RHS or SSS. So therefore angle BOQ is equal to angle BOC by CPCT, and therefore let angle BOQ is equal to angle BOC is equal to Y. This is second. Now line POQ is a straight line. Therefore X plus Y plus Y is equal to 180. 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. Dividing all the sides, both the sides with 2. So it will be x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. And angle AOB is equal to x plus y, that is equal to 90 degrees. Is this clear?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes, Pranika?
I got disconnected for a long time, so I couldn't listen what you were explaining.
Next question I was doing.
The eighth question, not eighth question.
It's done.
Ninth question, yeah.
This is ninth question.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
This is, you have to prove the triangle, this one, angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So you have to prove AOP triangle and AOC triangle, these two triangle congruency. You can prove by SSS or RHS. I have shown here by RHS. So in these two triangles, angle C and angle P are 90 degrees. AO is common side and OP and OC are equal red eyes of the same triangle. Red eye of the same triangle. So therefore these two triangles are congruent by RHS. So by CPCT, this angle POA and COA are equal. So therefore consider them as X angles. Similarly, prove lower two triangles COB and QOB congruency. So by that, by CPCT, you can prove QOB and COB are congruent. Consider them as Y. Then POQ is a straight line. So the angle on the straight lines are 180 degrees. So x plus y plus y is equal to 180. 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. So x plus y is equal to 90. So AOB is equal to 90 degrees because AOB is equal to x plus y.
Got it, ma'am. And
Write down.
also, ma'am, you were mentioning about Sunday something is
In Sunday test, trigonometry, subjective identities.
subjective.
Yeah, it's a subjective,
Oh, okay.
test, not objective.
Ma'am, you told in the group it was in the Saturday.
Saturday, Sunday it was told.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Ma'am, you scroll down a bit.
Yeah. Completed? This one you can prove. Lisha, can you prove this? The next question. Yes, Lisha?
Ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. 1 second. I'll read the question.
Lisha, it's easy. 1 marker.
No, ma'am.
Yes, we have done it. Only here it is in wordings. There is a circle. Prove that the angles between two tangents from an external point. So external point, this is one tangent.
Yes, ma'am.
This is another tangent is drawn. This is point P. This is point A and B.
Yes.
Angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle. That means two tangents. In between the angle is angle APB.
APB.
Is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line joining the points of contact at the center. Line joining points of contact at the center. So this angle and this angle are supplementary. How to prove this?
Okay, so we have to join OP.
No need. What is angle AOP?
It's a right angle.
That is 90.
Yes.
OBP,
That's also 90 degree.
this is also 90. Then which type of a figure is this? OAPB is a
Quadrilateral. Oh, so it's opposite angles. Like so, angle A plus angle O plus angle B plus angle P is equal to
sum is
360 degrees.
360. Angle A plus angle B is
180 degrees.
90 plus AOB plus 90 plus APB
APB is equal to 360.
360. So angle AOB plus angle APB is equal to
180 degrees.
360 minus 180. That is 180.
180.
So sum is 180. That's it.
Oh, okay.
The next is prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Parallelogram circumscribing a circle. This means circumscribe means it is present outside the circle. So this is parallelogram. If it is touches the circle, so this is A, B, C, D. These points of contacts P, Q, R, S. So if the parallelogram circumscribes the circle, this means it should be a rhombus. We have to prove ABCD is a rhombus. How can we prove? Any idea?
Ma'am, from the external point, then the two tangents to the circle. By
Okay.
that we can.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should prove the adjacent sides of the like parallelogram is equal.
Yes. Due to that, how to prove that?
Ma'am, due to the extended tangents of each point are equal, so
Here to do the same thing. Yes, we have to do the same thing. Do you remember this question? Yesterday we have done this question, the last question. Do you remember how we have proved?
Yes.
To sum of two opposite side is equal to sum of two remaining opposite side we have proved. It is till this part you have to prove the same, that question also. There is only one small thing you have to do at the end. That is, it is a parallelogram. So that means opposite sides are
Equal.
equal. So AB plus CD. Can you write CD is equal to AB again? So it will become AB plus AB because AB and CD are equal. So therefore AB plus AD is equal to AD plus AD. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
So here first you have to prove AP
Ma'am,
is equal to AS, BP is equal to BQ, CQ is equal to CR, and DR is equal to DS. Yes.
can't we prove like AB is equals to SQ and then BC is equals to PR and
How
PR
you
and
will
S?
prove? How we will prove that?
Ma'am, because like it's circumscribing the circle, so AB is, will be equal to SQ.
No,
And
don't know.
ma'am, but it's circumscribing, no, ma'am. So it should
Circumscribe
be.
means it is touches, but it will not be a line joining SQ. May be diameter, may not be diameter. We don't know that.
Okay.
So we cannot say that is SQ is parallel to AB or not. We can't.
Okay.
So here it is going downwards. So it is a trapezium. So now AB plus CD is equal to AP plus PB and CD is CR plus DR. Substitute equal values. AP's value is AS, BP's value is BQ, CR value is CQ and DR value is DS from 1. So therefore now AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. AS plus DS is AD and this is BD. So AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC we got. Now AB and CD are equal. So AB plus AB, AD and BC are equal. So AB plus AB is equal to AD plus AD. So 2AB is equal to 2AD. 2 get cancelled. AB is equal to AD. So in parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal. So therefore it is rhombus. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the line segment BD and DC, into which BC divides by the point of contact D, are of length 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. This is bit lengthier and somewhat complicated. Okay, fine. So what we have to do is, here, this is a circle which is touching the three sides of the triangle. They have given CD, the length of CD is 6 and BD is 8. So therefore, if you consider this point as E and this point as F, so what is the distance CF? Distance CF is equal to,
6.
yes, Surya?
6,
Surya?
6 centimeter.
Yes, right. It is 6 and BE will be
8.
8 centimeters, right? Because BD is equal to BE and CF is equal to CD, tangents from external point. Then AF and AE we don't know. We will consider them as X. And this also X because AF and AE are equal. So we have to write CD is equal to CF, that is equal to 6 centimeter. BD is equal to BE is equal to 8 centimeter. And AE is equal to AF is equal to X. Tangents from C, B and A respectively. Now, what is AC then? What is the value of AC?
X plus 6.
And AB?
X plus 8.
ABC?
6 plus 8.
6 plus A, that is 14. Now we know that radius is 4. So OD is 4. So join OF. That is also 4. Join OE. That is also 4. And these are 90 degrees. So we have to use the area formula here to find the value of X. For that, what you have to consider, area of triangle ABC, full triangle, is equal to, if we join, if you join AO, OC and OB, then full triangle is divided into three triangles, AOC, COB and BOA. So these are the three triangles into which ABC has divided. So we have to take the sum of areas of these three triangles is equal to the total area of the triangle. Is this clear what we are supposed to do? Is this part clear? We are taking the area of triangle ABC is equal to the sum of three small triangles into which that triangle is divided. So actually you are doing is, if this is a triangle, you are dividing this way. This is O, this is A, this is C and this is B. So area of full triangle is equal to area of AOC, area of COB and area of AOB. Is that right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So first we have to find the area of ABC. Then slowly we have to find out the AOC, BOC and AOB's area. So ACB triangle area, we don't have any perpendicular. Height we don't have. We have only three sides. So by which method we can find the area of this?
Heron's formula.
Heron's formula, right. Heron's formula we are using to find the area of triangle ABC, that is equal to square root of S S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So what is S value then? S is equal to sum of three sides by 2. So three sides is x plus 6, x plus 8 and 14 by 2. So this is 2x, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 14, 28 by 2. Take 2 common. So it will be x plus, divide separately. X plus 14 is the value of S. Then S minus A is equal to x plus 14 minus x plus 6. This is A value, this is B, and this is C. So x plus 14 minus x minus 6, x get cancel, value is 8. S minus B, x plus 14 minus x plus 8. So this is x plus 14 minus x minus 8. That is equal to x get cancel, 14 minus 8 is 6. And S minus C is equal to x plus 14 minus 14, 14 cancel, answer is x. So area triangle ABC is equal to square root of S is x plus 14 into 8 into 6 into x. So this is equal to 48x into x plus 14. We can 48, we can simplify. 14 is 16 threes are. So it will come 4 root 3x into bracket x plus 14. What I have done is that clear. 48 is 16 into 3. 16's square root is 4. That 4 we have taken out. And 3 do not have square root, so it remain inside the bracket along with the other terms. So this is area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. That is equal to. Now check how to find out the area of AOB. This is AOB triangle. So how to find out this area? Which method we have to use? Eureka.
Half into base into height.
Yeah, it is half into base into height. So what is base? Base is, what is the value of base?
8 plus x.
8 plus x, right? That is AB is the base. And what is height?
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. OE is perpendicular to AB. O is a vertex. So therefore OE will be the height of the triangle and AB is the base of the triangle. So it will come AOB is half into AB into R, that is 4 centimeter. Similar way, BOC triangle. In this BOC triangle also, BC is the base and OD is the height. That is, a radius is the height. Into BC into radius. Plus AOC, the same. In AOC triangle also, AC is the base and the radius is the height. Half into AC into R. So half R we can take common. Then it is AB plus BC plus AC. So this is equal to half into R into. Now what is AB? AB distance is x plus 8. BC is 14. X plus 8 plus 14 and AC is x plus 6. This is equal to half R 2x plus 28. Take 2 common. 1 by 2 R 2 into x plus 14. So this 4 and this 4 get cancelled. R value is 2, sorry, 4 actually. So we have to substitute 4. So this will be equal to 4 into bracket x plus 14. This is also the area of triangle ABC. So both are the areas of triangle. So we have to equate them. So therefore 4 into x plus 14 is equal to 4 square root 3x into bracket x plus 14. This 4 and this 4 cancel. So x plus 14 is equal to square root of 3x into x plus 14. Now square both the sides so that we can remove square root sign. So x plus 14 whole square is equal to 3x into bracket x plus 14. Now don't expand or don't open the bracket. Here x plus 14 square, that means it is x plus 14 into x plus 14 is equal to 3x into x plus 14. So this and this get cancelled. So what is left out? X plus 14 is equal to 3x. This x will go this side. 14 is equal to 3x minus x. That is 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 7. So value of x is 7. So AB and AC is equal to, one is AB is 8 plus x, I think so. AB is x plus 8 and AC is x plus 6. So that is equal to 7 plus 8, 15. 7 plus 6, 13 centimeters. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. This is very important question asked for 4 marks.
Ma'am, could you scroll down?
Ma'am, can you scroll?
Ma'am, done.
Next question. Completed everyone? This is also commonly asked question. Prove that opposite sides of the quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtends supplementary angles at the center of the circle. This means if we draw a circle, if the quadrilateral touches the circle, so this is A, this is B, C, and D. Any quadrilateral, they have not mentioned which type of a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral it is. Okay. So anyhow, you have to draw that quadrilateral. Now they are asking, that is at the center, this is the center of the circle. Opposite sides of the quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtends supplementary angles. Opposite side AB and CD are opposite sides. They subtends the angle at the center. AB will subtend AOB angle and CD will subtend COD angle. Right? So this angle and this angle are supplementary, that we have to prove. Given ABCD circumscribes circle. That's it. And then to prove AOB angle plus angle COD is equal to 180 degrees. So these two angles supplementary we have to prove. Now we have to do construction. Points of contacts we have to consider. These points of contact P, Q, R and S. P, Q, R, S are the points of contacts. P, Q, R, S be the points of contact of sides and circle. Then join these point of contacts OQ, OP, OS and OR. We have to join all these lines. Now we have to prove congruency between these two triangles or these two triangles. COQ and COR. Are you getting which triangles? COR and COQ. These two triangles we have to show congruency. By SSS criteria, OC is common, CQ is equal to CR, tangent from C, and OQ is equal to OR, radii of the same circle. So therefore these two triangles are congruent. So this, therefore this angle is equal to this angle. Consider this as angle 1 and this as angle 2. Exactly similar to that what we have done in ninth question. Proving AOB is equal to 90. The same method here also we have to follow. Then BOQ triangle and BOP triangle. These two triangles we have to prove equal, congruent. So therefore this angle and this angle by CPCT equal. So consider them as 3 and 4 angle. Similarly, these two angles we have to prove equal, that is 5 and 6. Then consider this is 7 and this angle is 8. So what we have to prove? 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 180, that we have to prove. So let's see how we can do it. To prove one congruency to prove, and the remaining ones you can write as similarly. So first is in triangle COQ and triangle COR. OQ is equal to OR, that is radii. Then CO is equal to OC, common side, and Another one is CQ is equal to CR, tangents from point C. So therefore, triangle COQ is congruent to triangle COR by SSS congruency. Therefore, angle COQ is equal to angle COR by CPCT. So let's say this one as X. Sorry, one and two. Okay. COQ is equal to COR. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. COQ we have considered as a 1 and COR as angle 2. Now similarly, no need to prove now. Directly we can write. Similarly, triangle BOQ is congruent to triangle BOP by SSS congruency. Therefore, angle BOQ is equal to angle BOP by CPCT. So that is considered. So therefore, this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Then triangle AOP congruent to triangle AOS by SSS. Therefore, angle AOP is equal to angle AOS by CPCT. Therefore, angle 5 is equal to angle 6. So consider this as third equation. Triangle, now left one, DOS is congruent to DOS and DOR by SSS. So angle DOS is equal to angle DOR by CPCT. So therefore, angle 7 is equal to angle 8. This is fourth equation. If we add all the angles, what will happen? What is the sum of all the angles?
360.
360. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That is equal to 360. Now which angle we need to show? We needed in showing this AOB and COD. That is AOB is 4 and 5. AOB includes 5 plus 4 and COD includes 8 and 1. So plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 180 we have to show. So 1, 8, 4 and 5 we need, and the remaining ones in this formula substitute with the equal values. 1 and 2 are equal, so substitute with 2 with angle 1. Is it clear what I am going to do? 3 I don't need, but 4 I need. So replace 3 with 4. 5 is needed, but 6 is not needed. 6 and 5 are equal, so substitute 6 with 5. 7 is not needed, 8 is needed. So substitute 7 with 8. Is this clear? Then twice of angle 1 plus twice of angle 4 plus twice of angle 5 plus twice of angle 8 is equal to 360. Divide everything with 2. So angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180. So combine the angles. Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to 180. 4 plus 5 is angle AOB and 1 plus 8 is angle COD. So sum of both of them is 180 degrees. Is it clear what is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is this clear what is done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, then
Yes,
write
ma'am.
down. Then write down.
Could you scroll down?
One can scroll down.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
No, NCRT over. Exemplar book. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First question. MCQs. If the radii of two concentric circles are 4 and 5 centimeter, then the length of each chord of one circle which is tangent to the other circle is. Find out the answer. These are all same questions we have solved in NCRT. So solve those first again.
Is this exemplar?
Yes, this is example questions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for the first one, is it 3 centimeters?
No.
Ma'am, is the first one 6 centimeters?
Yes, right. Length of the chord they have asked. Yes,
Ma'am, is the
Santosh.
second one
I'm
55
6
degrees?
centimeter.
First one is 6 centimeter. The 7th question of NCRT, same question.
Ma'am, is the second one 55 degrees?
Yes.
I'm
Second
second
one,
one 55 degree.
yes. If AOB is equal to 125, what is angle COD? Just now you have proved this question, the last question. Just now you have proved. If the quadrilateral is circumscribing the circle, then the opposite side of that quadrilateral subtends supplementary angles at the center. So AOB is 125, so COD will be equal to 180 minus 125. That is 55.
Is the third one 50 degrees?
50
Third
degrees?
one, yes. How? Vishnu, can you explain how third 50? Vishnu?
Ma'am,
Yes, how it is 50? Can you explain?
80 is tangent.
80 is tangent.
So angle BCA is be 50 degrees.
B?
CA
Yeah, is 50
is
degrees.
given.
Yeah.
Given. So then angle BAT will be equal to angle BCA.
Why? Why are they equal?
No, sorry. Angle BCA and angle BAC are all distinct. And angle BCA plus angle BAC will be equal to BAT.
No.
I thought angle BCA will be equal to BAT.
No. Why BAT equal? That's what I'm asking. Why?
And I thought it was some property.
Yeah. You are seeing the solution of OSWAL, and you have this one, not OSWAL. You have in front of you the solution book. That is
What?
Arihant. Am I right?
No.
Then, which solutions book you have in front of you?
I don't have anything. I don't even know what this is.
You have in front of you the solutions are there.
No.
Yes, I'm completely sure.
Ma'am, can I say?
Meghna has raised hand. Yes, Meghna.
BC is equal to BA.
BC is equal to BA, not given. They're not given. That is
No,
BC and BA are equal.
it's not given.
No.
I'm telling the proving part.
How will you prove?
Ma'am, BC is equal to BA radii.
No, BC and BA are not radius.
No, oh.
They are not. B is any external
yeah.
point. Yes, Ronak.
Ma'am, it is given that BC is 50 degrees. And we learned last year that the angle subtended by a diameter is 90 degrees.
Yes, right.
So then angle BAC becomes 40 degrees and
Yeah.
CA is 90 degrees. So if we
Yeah.
subtract 40 from 90, we get 50.
Yes, right. So here you can see I cannot write anything on this. This is a PDF file. So you can see my cursor.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is 50. AC is a diameter. Diameter, that is, this is a semicircle. ABC is a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is 90. So angle B is 90 degrees. This is 90. This is 50. That means this angle will be BAC. AC, angle will be by angle sum property.
180 minus 140.
This is 90 plus 50 is 140. So this will be 40 degrees. So this is 40. Now OAT is a perpendicular, that is 90 degrees, because this is the radius at the point of contact. So this full angle is 90. Out of that, this angle is 40. So this angle will be 50. 90 minus 40. So this is 50. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes,
And
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yeah. Vishnu, whatever the book in front of you, it is given the this one as solution as angle BAT is equal to angle ACB, because angles in alternate segment theorem. And that theorem you don't have for your syllabus. You have to keep on proving everywhere. So whatever the solutions books are there, all of them have been used that theorem. But that theorem you are not using. Alternate segment theorem as is not explained in NCERT, or it is not for class 10th. So whatever the solution books, don't try to copy, because I will get to know if you are using that theorem. You have to keep writing solutions also. Because these are very important questions. Next, from a point P, which is at a distance of 13 centimeter from the center O of a circle of radius 5, a pair of tangents PQ and PR to the circle are drawn, then the area of quadrilateral PQOR is.
Ma'am, could you go back to the slide?
I'm writing the questions. Here, this was the question. From a point P, which is at a distance of 30 centimeter from the center of the circle O. This is point O. P is at a distance of 13. PQ and PR are two tangents drawn to the circle. PQ, PR. This is 90, this is 90. The radius is given 5. OQ and OR are 5. So can you find out the area of this quadrilateral?
Is the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
This is 60.
Yes, 60. So by Pythagoras theorem, first you have to calculate the PR value. That will be 12. This is 12 by Pythagoras theorem. Now find the area of this. This is a right triangle. So half into base into height. So 6 into 5, 30. Similarly, OQP's area is also 30. So total area of quadrilateral is equal to 30 plus 30, 60. Solve it.
Ma'am, normally how much will they ask this question for?
Yes. What you are asking, Shubham?
Ma'am, normally how much will they ask this question for?
Which question?
Like this question.
This 1 mark.
It's 1 mark.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. And the first question, the chord question, that one is also
All
1
these
mark.
are for 1 mark.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Next question. At one end A of the diameter AB of circle 5 or circle of radius 5 centimeter, tangents XAY is drawn to the circle. The length of the chord CD parallel to XY at a distance 8 centimeter from A is. AB is the diameter. So from point A, XAY is a tangent is drawn. XAY is a tangent drawn to the circle. The length of the chord CD parallel to XY at a distance of 8 centimeter from A is, radius is given 5. So this is 5. From this point, XY, one tangent is drawn parallel. Oh, chord CD is drawn parallel. So CD is a parallel. This distance is 5. So that means this distance will be, this is 90. So this will be 90 degrees. This is point P if we consider. From A, CD is at a distance of 8 centimeter. That means O to P distance will be
3 centimeters.
3 centimeter. What is OC distance? What is your OC distance?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeter. This is 90. So by Pythagoras theorem, can you find out CP distance? That will be
4.
4.
Ma'am, is the answer right?
This is 4. CP is 4. So PD will be? PD is also
4.
4. So CD will be?
8 centimeter.
4 plus 4, 8 centimeter.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how is CP perpendicular to AB?
XA and XY and CD are parallel.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay,
So
understood.
angle A is 90. So therefore
Yeah.
angle P is also 90. Alternate angles.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Sixth question. Circle is given, diagram is given. In figure 9.5, AT is the tangent to the circle with center O such that OT, O to T distance is 4 centimeter. Angle OTA is equal to 30 degree. Then what is the value of AT? How to calculate?
I'm using trigonometric ratios.
Yes, trigonometric ratios you have to use. OA is perpendicular. That means OAT is a right triangle. Then for finding AT, use any right triangle trigonometric properties. So which ratio can you use? Which ratio can you use?
Sine 30.
Sine. Then
Cos
only
theta.
you will get cos 30 degrees. What is the value of cos 30?
Cos theta.
Yeah, cos 30
Root 3 by
theta is.
2.
It's root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to 80 by 4. Then find out. 2 root 3.
So should we like join OA?
Yes, join OA. Then only that right triangle can be drawn, no? Right triangle is possible only when we join OA.
Okay.
Ma'am, is the seventh one 100 degrees?
POQ. 40,
Ma'am,
40, 80. Yes, 100, right.
ma'am,
Yes?
is the sixth one 2 root 3
Yes, 2 root
centimeters?
3, right. It's 2 root 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
could you explain that? I didn't understand.
Which one?
The sixth one, and the last part. Like I understood till cos 30.
Yeah, cos 30 is equal to 80 by OT. What is cos 30 value?
Opposite by hypotenuse.
30, cos 30.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's root 3 by 2.
So root 3 by 2 is equal to 80 by 4.
Okay.
And find the answer. Others, are you able to understand? I'm not getting whether you're understanding or not.
I understood, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, is the answer 2 root 3 centimeters?
2 root 3.
Ma'am, 2 root 3.
Yes, right. Next one, seventh one. O is the center of the circle, PQ is a chord, and a tangent PR. PR is a tangent. At P makes an angle of 50 degree with PQ. So this angle is 50 degree. Then POQ is equal to this angle you have to calculate, this angle. Now PR is a tangent. So OPR will be, what is the angle OPR?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. So this angle OPQ will be
40.
40. If OPQ is 40, what about OQP? Angle
40.
OQP. 40. Reason?
Radius.
OP is equal to OQ. Two sides of the triangle are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. So therefore angle P and angle Q are equal. So both of them will be 40, 40. Use angle sum property for POQ. 40 plus 40, 80. 180 minus 80, POQ will be 100. It's clear? 8th one is much easier again. How many other? 10 other. 8th one, angle APB is 50. Then angle OAB is equal to?
Okay, ma'am.
How much?
180 minus 50, 130.
OAB, this angle.
I'm 25 each.
Yes. How?
Like AOB is 130 degrees. So like angles are proper.
Yes.
Equal to, so it will be 25 each, no, ma'am.
Yeah. This is 50. That means this angle will be supplementary angle. So AOB is equal to 130. So this is 130 and this angle A and angle B will be equal as AO is equal to OB. So this is X plus 130 is equal to 180. Find X angle. And this is the proof also you have done. Angle APB is double of AOB. First proof. First day. Fine, the remaining ones we will solve it tomorrow in tomorrow's class. Okay. And Adi Sharma, exercise first 10 questions you can solve. Those are only based on Pythagoras theorem. 15-20 minutes will take to complete that one, not more than that. First 10 questions. There are approx 56 questions in exercise are there. Adi Sharma, first exercise. No, second exercise, sorry. Then you can leave.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.